Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to set isometric views. Set an isometric view. Step 1. To add an isometric view, click the drop-down menu of 3D View from View tab, under Create Panel. Click Default 3D View. The isometric view will pop up. Step 2. To edit the boundary of the view, click the section box option on the Properties palette. Step 3. Click the section box on the view. Drag the arrows toward the model to create a dynamic slice of the model. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to create an isometric view. Thank you.